If I want to see this in a blood clot, one thinking Jakes. One you and thinking Annie one. My poop. That will remind me of poop. I go like someone the man I go take him from blood clot me. And him no want Jakes. If I want to see with blood clot, just go blood clot do it. You don't want blood clot Jakes. But then if you get rid of Jakes no blood clot, but you not class me on the net. But then if you get rid of Jakes, but you not class me on the net. But then if you get rid of Jakes, but you not class me on the blood clot net. You not class me on ya. About me I run from Jakes Annie, cause Jakes beat woman like dog. You smelling your mother. Stink like blood clot shit.
Okay, boom, viewers, welcome back to the channel. Subscribers, you already know the thing set. We're blessed. You also know the story incomplete if minute upon the beat, and as you can see upon on the screen. Yeah, the first week of Jake's getting a job at his baby mom's workplace, he is now dating and starting new series with her co-workers. People putting out a comment section where you think about that because I'm not gonna lie, she went in. You know what I mean? But before we get to that part of the video, we need to talk about some important matters because you don't know the situation with Tyra Spaulding and how she was found. This is what I say. And I found this video of her and she was seemingly crying out for help, my people. I'm not gonna lie. You see what I say? She compared herself to Stephen Boss, you know, the individual that one time worked with Ellen DeGeneres. You see what I say? So let's take a look at what she said and then I'll further comment on the situation at hand.
I don't even know what's going to happen for even this channel. Like, I'm just recording, you know, in case. I mean, who knows? Suppose one day I just get up and decide to, like, bro, it's that serious. Like, when somebody doesn't have any options and they don't have a plan, that is some serious shit. Like people kill themselves over stuff like this. Like, people in my position, like, they lose their job. I remember, what's that guy's name again? Twitch or something like that. He was working with Ellen DeGeneres, and I think they stopped the show and he got laid off. That man booked a hotel room and blew his brains out, all because he lost his job. Like, I'm just trying to show you guys how serious this situation is. Like, I don't have a plan, and that could very well happen to me because, you know, I don't have any source of, like, income, no means of paying my bills next month. I don't have anything stored up. Like, this is...
Yeah, and she also made some other videos over on her TikTok, and as you can see, how these things are titled. This is sad situation, condolences to families and friends. You see what I say? But we're just letting you know what go on for not to go on, obviously. Anyway, people, let's proceed. Now, Rosalie is upset that the Dolly them is coming for her man. You see what I say, my people, and this is why you two can't friendly with your co-workers. Them if you go work, and that's it. But some of you don't want to go work and chat on the family business and mix and mingle with people that don't even know, no, and not even check for no. You see what I'm saying? If them get the opportunity to seize, yes, them are gonna take it. So let's take a listen, you see me?
Up we go and up we come, but you want to start a series with Jakes. Or should we have the man in our yard? Eh? You not live no way and Jakes not live no way. We're gonna start the series, huh? You not live no way and Jakes not live no way. We're gonna start the series. You not live no way and him not live no way. We're gonna start it, no? Eh? Big blood clot woman like you, don't much in pussy clot pitney. Why the bomber pussy blood clot? You not gonna take a live you not gonna take a man to live somewhere. A gift you want use if you get gift. You want him stink. I say me I put him outside them gonna I'm trying to in there. Come I make no fly blow girl. I say him over here I chat me with girl for you, I put him out there. You so no word. I'm want for blood clot. No say man when me nah look blood clot pan. But you gotta start see with the jakes. And the two phone number jakes is me bite. And it go away. The two phone number jakes on in life is me bite give them. It's me bite give him. And you plug my Wi-Fi pan jakes. Go away.
I make it a lot more serious. What we can't share? If me share that do blood clot it up.
I burn me.
That's your get up.
More blood. A purely Jake's human Annie. Your body feet old tag and denty. She get black long time. You like your eye too red. I saw me AKEEM over here do the blood classes and you look, she buy ringing a cupcake. She buy ringing a cupcake. Well, you too enough. And I like the girl, no bad man I like the girl with nothing. I might like other comment because sometimes no one a girl dictate to blood clot me. Lock it off. Eh? Me and the boy over there look. Me and the boy over there look. Do the look session when you look. When your blood clot look, all of a sudden, you are buying putting a blood clot cake and say, man, I give you a blood clot cake. Half a man don't come talk or you nasty and like beard. And your blood clot, but Brazil kind of sour like colic. Eh? Your Brazil kind of sour like colic. Eh? Your Brazil kind of sour like colic. If you need to get the ring yet, popcorn ring. Fake marriage. Man want uno. Or long time cesspool. Eh? Or dirty war. Pan stinking Annie. After just today we do one blood clot gifter. When we know a half buy khaki. When I'm thinking Annie then we're gonna look some farmer eye like them there somewhere. But you got the blood clot. Anything you want to put on the net, nobody now look on the corner on the credibility. Cause pure lie on the walk and tell. I want you want to come class Jakes and talk Jakes and come class and say what Jakes never do. If I'm Jakes never do, you ain't pop way. But I leave on the two no count a dog. Yeah. I go and leave and make it a look of taste over here. It's a look of peace. Eh? And I dirty blood clot that other than nasty so as always. I which one of them in a blood clot box with backdrop? Must say one of them in a young girl turn Uber Eats. Once that kill is probably want poison. I'm going to leave it to blood clot. They make them near me up. Thinking, man, you're the next blood clot one too. All germs. Are you tasty? Don't call me blood clot. You must tell me about stinking Annie. If you want drugs, I don't know what the fuck that have to do with blood clot me. When I'm here, I run from this man. But those man, if you want the series means that don't call me blood clot name. Cause when you name food that one tasting on the mouth and a sour, your whole generation a dirty family them. Oh. Father spoon one. I'm not saying I request neither. No nobody request me so. Bad man on the bad man and grudge and like watch out girl blood clotting. Every day on the crate and I must have to argue with people over here and I try shut up on the thing and I try cast out the blood clotting. Like when father got a cast out the devil out of hell. I never stop till I mash it up. And the thing so when I mash it up, me now come get 2 diamonds. But still a rain say me and still a survive. And any government will liberate our PNP. Come have Annie on my phone a suck hood, one big dirty long blood clot hood in a blue lingerie. So I don't know what the fuck jokes I do with you on our germs.
What's your pink one in here?
Me know a pink one go pan and him so fucking ugly. Me try to pay him back my $50,000 me give for bust the bump, you know. I go down and see if I go on bad pan him coming and run no joke. I want back mines. Oh. Send back mines come give me. When they have the bumper here, I can't ever want to click the blood clot live. I'm a draw my money. I say I go draw my blood clot money. You deep night, you come back, you carry back $60,000 out of 100. And then I still have to give money for buy medication. And since the blood clot bump heal up, all the years you have some little stinking man we are there with their life. You can't come over and complain. No tit for blood clot tat with me. Like you want to come secretly style me like your things. I don't want for liberty upon this blood clot net, you know. And it must feel like you're somebody. Don't come over and complain no tit for tat with blood clot me. I go like you want to run me off of my blood clot work ground. Because you not have no name on TikTok. Any name where you have a mesh, a mind, shadow you walking as Rosalie, baby father, Jakes. And if never ball out Jakes more, I wouldn't blood clot get no attention, no attraction, and me turning as somebody. I know you turn me into somebody. The real star over here, me. Don't ramp with me, I won't do 40 days and 40 nights. When you see me, you have to kick me up like a booming ball. Mind where you do. Come on, if I have stinking and them are run chattings with gal pan ya. And them are having a phone a lick out all batty. But the one I have yellow. And it goes sir. But you want to count Jake's pan blood clot date. Go sir. But you want to count Jake's pan date. Your mouth stink. Your mouth stink alike. Beloved want my long time I not see you. Beloved, I can't show me one post. I mean, what getting your blood clot about Chevy? But you're thinking, girl, want to send money go give you. In my blood clot, also, if I put you up and feed you. In my blood clot, also, if I put you up and feed you for 12 blood clot years. And things when not now going and dumping and butter days. And you come for you first somebody start chatting with a sexy money. The first somebody used to sit down and chat with that stinking mini farm Canada where I look fuck fire. When I'm having them also chat to pa my Wi-Fi where I pay. I see you walk around and catch I see him stay. So the behavior where you see him go like him have him disgusting and terrible. I see him walk around and flirt and smile and look man then I'm a blood clot back. All stinking man. So I hate him. So I don't know how blood clot jelly first one I run from. When I call him I win. Yeah, today or Thursday, Wednesday. Even though them just my blood clot for you can ask me there. Trying to come home, come see you. But looking at the drama, I'm going in the room. Actually, I'm checking out the room, blood clot draw. And you can't do my go on and any them. Go on down a dirty Annie them. Like you can't make girl feel like them have things on me. When them have you over here and go like have you over till you want come get all blood clot, right? They have to see me here in a things. If you ever walk around the blood clot scheme, I do the blood clot survey. I do the whole more that we do for blood clot me. And up to today, they still walking on my blood clot shadow. So know where you are the boy. Oh, pan this. If him say more, I think that him say more come run. I think that him say more come blood clot run, you know. Not under my true restriction. Not under my out of class daily. And trust me, I have 12 years out of class. Oh? Out of class daily. Out of class tea blood clot lip and this. Every day when I say that I just class yo. 12 years out of class me I feel. So I whole heap of class that I mean every day I chop out piece and pull on. We are talk about one topic for the whole day. Every day I depend you. They can't come run me for myself on my work ground. I make me look small like I'm here walking in your blood clot shadow. Or even make stinking and them in a chattings with me. And them a walk and suck out and lick out batty. And they would all our family my germs. Now make me have to kick the bucket in a boy. So me I want if I'm the other day, me have to kick the bucket over here. Beg we are beg and go on. So me I want you know me have to kick the blood clot bucket by here. I go on Jeffrey's internet but me tell you say I work. Me not tell you blood clot nothing. I mean I hold no argument. Me ain't hold no blood clot argument. Me ain't hold no argument. Oh, so look how you walk a look fuck for your cocky, me that walk a look fuck for my wall. Me ain't hold no argument. Tell a lie for me, I hold no story. But I work, me a blood clot work like me a day. And you can't in an argument, you know. I read that Jake's bump and him can't walk on the world free. I 50,000 like cost me for man care. So you can't come here, so? I know about me too. Diamond. But yeah, so you know, I want to enter the blood clot rank. Say if I come and enter the rank, so I'm going to go so bam and look out of the space. And look upon the space. So I'm going to say, nobody. And I aim alone my blood clot. And me I call the ugly blood clot, ugly mug. The ugly blood clot mug for come play too much with me. Go tell Jaden me call him mood of a blood clot come. But you can't slung over there with stinking Annie. You go tell Jaden my blood clot call him. Huh? Tell me call him. Think like shit, but you want blood clot. Come here, like you have things.
So, like, seeing as you're looking for someone, am I your type?
No, because I wonder if them money in a black girl.
Are you listening?
Listen.
I said, seeing as you're looking for somebody, am I your type?
Yeah, fit all the criteria, yes, yeah.
No.
You have a killer smile, you have a really beautiful smile. I don't know.
Thank you.
But they are trying to say I can fix things to me youth, them, and I understand. Because you hear what I go on, right? You hear about what I go on with Jakes and his kids and whatever.
Yeah, I have heard. Sorry that you're in that situation, to be honest.
Yeah, all heap of things are going on, and if you want to continue without the mix-up, though, go up on my dancehall story channel, because we just lego some things pertaining to, you know, real dancehall people. You feel me? Anyway, people, I'm not going to longer, this no longer, so please, like, share, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell to be notified whenever I drop the latest in the dancehall news, music reviews, and gossips. Please.